Welcome to Daily Dose of Parenting. In today's episode, we're diving into an important aspect of your baby's physical development. When is the right time for your baby to sit up, and why forcing them to sit prematurely can actually hinder their progress? Sitting independently is a key milestone in motor development, and like all developmental steps, it happens gradually. Most babies learn to sit up between 6 to 8 months of age, but it varies for each child. This milestone follows the natural progression of motor skills, including neck control, rolling over, and developing core strength, which are all essential for independent sitting. Forcing your baby to sit prematurely, before they are physically and developmentally ready, can have negative consequences. Strain on developing muscles. Babies need time to strengthen their neck, back, and core muscles through natural activities like tummy time, rolling, and crawling. When a baby is forced into a sitting position too early, before their muscles are sufficiently developed, it can place undue strain on these fragile muscles. Babies who are propped up prematurely may not yet have the strength to stabilize themselves, leading them to rely on external support instead of using their muscles to maintain posture. This reliance on artificial support can delay the development of key muscle groups, preventing them from learning to sit independently through natural progression. Forcing a baby to sit before they are physically ready also increases the risk of injury. Without strong muscles and balance control, babies are more likely to tip over and fall. Their bodies lack the ability to catch themselves, leading to potential bumps, bruises, or even more serious injuries. Falls from an unsupported sitting position can be especially hazardous for a baby's head, as their head is relatively large and heavy compared to the rest of their body, making it more difficult for them to maintain balance. Delayed development of motor skills. Motor skill development follows a natural progression, with each milestone building on the last. Milestones like rolling, pushing up on arms, and crawling are crucial steps toward achieving independent sitting and eventually walking. These early stages help babies build the coordination, balance, and strength needed to advance to more complex movements, like standing and walking. Each motor skill milestone serves a unique developmental purpose. Rolling helps babies develop their core muscles, giving them the foundation they need for sitting and crawling. Pushing up on arms during tummy time strengthens their upper body, including the neck, shoulders, and arms, preparing them for crawling. Crawling plays an essential role in refining bilateral coordination, as it requires using both sides of the body together, which is important for walking and hand-eye coordination. By skipping or rushing these developmental stages, a baby may not fully develop the coordination, balance, or muscle strength required for subsequent skills like crawling, standing, and walking. The American Academy of Pediatrics emphasizes the importance of allowing babies to reach milestones at their own pace. Activities like tummy time, rolling, and crawling help them experiment with balance and movement. Through these natural activities, they not only build muscle strength but also develop essential motor planning skills, which enable them to perform more complex tasks as they grow. Impact on posture and spine development. Early sitting, before a baby has the necessary muscle tone, can lead to poor posture. Babies who cannot sit upright on their own often slouch or lean forward, placing unnecessary pressure on their spine. Poor posture in infancy can lead to alignment issues as they grow older, increasing the risk of back problems or musculoskeletal discomfort later in life. While there are numerous baby products designed to support babies during different developmental stages, some products should be avoided if they encourage sitting too early or restrict a baby's natural movement. Products like molded baby seats or infant positioners can hold babies in a seated position before they are developmentally ready. While these seats may offer convenience, they can hinder the baby's natural muscle development by providing artificial support. Activity centers allow babies to stand or sit upright with minimal effort. The problems with activity centers or exersources is that babies are often forced to rely on external support, bypassing the natural process of building strength and coordination. They can also lead to poor posture and strain on the spine, Bumbo-style seats are designed to help babies sit upright, but they can cause babies to slump or arch their backs if they don't have the proper muscle strength. Using these seats too early may also lead to over-reliance on support, hindering the baby's development of independent sitting skills. Instead of using products that force babies into sitting positions, parents can encourage natural development through simple, safe activities. If you're looking for more guidance on tummy time, I've already covered this essential exercise in 2 other videos. In the first, I discuss the importance of tummy time and why it is crucial for your baby's physical development. In the other video, I offer 13 crucial tummy time exercises that will help you get started and ensure your baby is engaging in the most effective ways to build strength and coordination. I will include links to these videos in the description below, so make sure to check them out if you want to learn more about how to maximize the benefits of tummy time for your baby's development. These videos provide detailed step-by-step guidance to help you incorporate tummy time into your baby's daily routine in a fun and engaging way. Additionally, I will also include links to essential tummy time products that can enhance your baby's experience. From tummy time mats to toys that encourage movement and engagement, these products are designed to make tummy time more enjoyable and effective for your little one. Be sure to check out the links in the description to find the right tools to support your baby's development. As the baby gains strength, they will naturally push up, roll, and eventually begin to sit up independently. For babies who are beginning to show signs of readiness, parents can gently support them in a sitting position by placing the baby on their lap and holding them upright. This allows the baby to practice balance with support without over-relying on external products. Placing toys slightly out of reach encourages babies to practice balance while seated, promoting the use of their core muscles to remain upright. Signs your baby is ready to sit. It's important to wait for the following developmental signs before encouraging independent sitting. The first key sign that your baby is ready to sit is strong head and neck control. Babies should be able to hold their head up steadily without support. This is a crucial indicator that their neck muscles are sufficiently developed. During tummy time, you may notice your baby lifting their head and keeping it steady while exploring their surroundings. This strength is vital for sitting because it helps stabilize the upper body. In addition to neck control, core strength is essential for sitting independently. Look for signs that your baby can push up on their arms while lying on their tummy. This action strengthens the muscles in their back, shoulders, and core, which are necessary to maintain balance when sitting upright. Babies who can roll over from their stomach to their back and vice versa are also demonstrating improved muscle coordination, which is a precursor to sitting. Another clear indicator that your baby is nearing the sitting milestone is their ability to reach for objects and return to a stable position without falling over. This shows that they are starting to develop the balance and core control needed to maintain an upright position. Babies who can reach out, grab toys, and return to a neutral posture without tipping over are showing strong postural control, which is essential for sitting without support. Another sign your baby is ready to sit independently is when they can sit with some, but not full support. Babies who are able to sit while leaning on their arms, or when propped up with pillows, are building the necessary strength and balance to transition to sitting on their own. This stage allows them to practice balancing, engage their core muscles, and prepare for sitting without external help. Over time, as their muscles grow stronger, they'll be able to sit more confidently and for longer periods without assistance. By watching for these key developmental signs, you can ensure that your baby is progressing naturally and is ready to achieve the sitting milestone safely. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace, so be patient and encourage their progress with lots of tummy time, interactive play, and sitting with gentle support. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Daily Dose of Parenting. The videos I create are here to support you through every stage of your baby's growth, from those early milestones like sitting and crawling, to tackling common parenting challenges. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes on baby development, parenting tips, and much more. Join the conversation in the comments below. What milestones are your babies reaching, and how do you support their physical development? I'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned and see you in the next episode of Daily Dose of Parenting.